Hi everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video, I wanna show you how to convert image or photos to PDF file. So stay tuned, let's start. Okay my friends, to convert your photos or images to a PDF file, simply follow my steps. Okay, first of all, let's take some picture or let's get some picture from Google or from your directory in your PC. Okay, car. Okay, let's say I will take this one. Okay, file, save image as desktop. Okay, let's take another one. Okay, this one also. Okay, let's have a high resolution. File, save image as, also on the desktop, save. Okay, also I will take this one. Okay, save image as, desktop, save. Okay guys, as you can see here we have 3 images or 3 photos, and I want to convert this image to PDF file. Simply guys, open a Word document. As you can see here, I will create a one. Open it. Okay, here guys, in the insert tab, click pictures, insert picture from this device. Okay, look at the desktop. Okay, that's it. Import these 3 pictures, insert. As you can see, we have 3 pictures, sorry. Okay, let's adjust this picture. Okay, I will resize to 1 page. Okay, that's it. Okay, now I want to convert this one to PDF. So simply click File, Save As, set your destination, desktop. Okay, here guys, as you can see in the Save As type, select PDF, then click Save. That's it. As you can see guys, here now we have a PDF file. As you can see, opened. We have 3 pictures here and it's converted to PDF file. So easy guys. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.